Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. We are opening a subscription that we haven't had in I think years here, and it's Empress Mimi. We have 2 boxes to open. Can we just talk about how beautiful this presentation is? So if you don't know, Empress Mimi is a lingerie subscription. They have multiple subscription plans starting at $44.95. This was kindly sent to me free for review but not sponsored. And I don't know if I don't think I have an affiliate link. If I do, I'll mark that in the description when I leave the link there so you can check them out. So it came with a piece of paper with these boxes that said exactly what I got. So I'm not sure what subscription plan I have. I'll see if I can figure it out after looking at them. I haven't peeked yet, and put that in the description as well. So there's the Queen box and the Empress box, and the Queen box is $44.95 and the Empress one is more expensive, around $99.95, I believe. I was just checking out their website. If there's a code or anything, I will leave it down below. When I was looking on their website, there was a pop-up for 20% off, so there's at least that. But yeah, they have beautiful pieces. I still have them from years ago, and so they hold up well. And I like how their whole like marketing or their whole brand is. It's all about like self-worship and self-love, and I love that, and goddess energy. I'm all about it. So, and look how pretty these are. So let's start with this one here. It's just so pretty. Get the string off. So here you can see we have like, looks like Aphrodite there. Unleash your inner goddess. Oh, hi, Emmy. Emmy has joined us. All right, so open it up. There's this piece of paper here. Is the lighting better, by the way? I have a new light. Ooh, I'm so excited. So this is Swan Maidens. Ooh, there's all this stuff on here. And here's a little peek. We'll take a look in a moment. Should I read all of this? It's kind of long. Let's just see what it first says at least. Once upon a time, the world witnessed the dance of Swan Maiden sisters. Emmy's eating. Sorry if you can hear her. These were women of powerful spirit and beauty with the ability to shapeshift, the embodiment of profound mystery and grace. They wore feathered garments spun from the gossamer threads of moonbeams, adorned with morning dew. These were the garments of their power, an emblem of their self-possession, their autonomy, and their ability to shapeshift. In this sacred attire, they were eternally free. But there was a man who coveted their power, seeking to possess what was not his to take. He stole a feathered cloak, and a swan maiden was forced to take human form, her divine dance interrupted. He feared her inner magical power and did all he could to keep her small. But the burning memory of freedom would not allow the Swan Maiden to rest in captivity. In her adversity, she found a strength and wisdom the man could not fathom, found allies who helped her find her freedom and her sister swans once more. The tale of the Swan Maidens is a reminder to all of us that your garments of divine freedom can always be reclaimed. Do not begrudge yourself the tears of captivity, for they will water the ground where your reclaimed freedom will soon take root. We too can reclaim our power, our autonomy, and our voice. We can retrieve our garments or weave them anew with threads of resilience, determination, and self-love. This is the dance of rebirth, the dance of the swan in the moonlight. So put on the swan set and join your sisters in the dance of freedom under the moon's benevolent gaze, for you are powerful, you are beautiful, and you are eternally free. I love that. Oh my God, I'm so excited to see what this looks like. So we have it in 2 pieces here. Oh my gosh, are there actual swans on it? Oh my God, so cute. There are. So this is the top, of course. So it's black lace, and look, we have the swans. And there's this little cutout in the front. And both straps are adjustable, which is super nice. This is so pretty. Yeah, I'm excited about this. So I got mine in a size large. And I think, yeah, I took a look at their website, the size chart, before I told them my size, because sometimes with things like a large will be like way too small, and so I know if like you're larger breasted, you understand that, but this actually looks like it could be a perfect size, and I went off their chart again. I always recommend doing that, but this is awesome. I'm so excited. Now let's look at the bottom. Oh man, these are so cute. I love this. In the back, we have another little cutout here. But this is like a good size. It's more like, would you call this like a hipster? Like it goes up to your hip maybe? And it does have a cotton gusset. It does have that like protection thing on it. I love this set. This is so cute. I love the swans. It's so like different than anything I have, but like still very wearable, still really sexy. There's swans on it. And I love the story that comes with it. I'm super excited about this. Oh my god, and now I'm super excited to see what else they sent. So cute. Love it. I'll keep you guys updated on how it fits and everything, but it looks like it'll be a good size. So the box looks the same for this one. Oh my god, the colors. Okay. It's called Queen of Cups. If you guys don't know, well, look at all these tarot decks and stuff behind me. I read tarot, and Queen of Cups is a tarot card. Oh man, I love this already. And here's a little sneak peek. So, Queen of Cups, a majestic scene inspired by the Queen of Cups dream, channels the magics of water serene. With delicate patterns like ripples in time, it mirrors your depth, intuition sublime. For water's great gift is in the art of surrender, to trust your inner guidance, your soul's defender. Emerald hues adorn satin's embrace, whispering secrets with power and grace. Slip into this set with poise and with might. Unleash your queen energy, shining and bright. Empowered, inspired, a goddess she'll be, the Queen of Cups, fierce, fearless, and free. I love these. Oh my god, this is so pretty too. You guys, these colors look so me. I'm so excited. I was thinking like, how could this potentially be that swan set? But we'll see. It looks like this might be like a corset type thing. Or, I don't know if that's the right word. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oops, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So we have this strap in the front like that. And then there's also a strap that ties below, like on like the waist, would you say? This is so pretty. And yeah, the cup size looks perfect. Oh my god, look at this right here. There's so much to it. I'm obsessed. I haven't even like put these on, but I'm like, I can just tell these are gonna literally make me feel like a goddess. And here's the button. And it's all adjustable. You can see on it. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Like, all the detail. I wonder if this is the, like, what's this Queen of Cups? I wonder if this is the Queen box or the other one is. But I'm thinking maybe this, they sent me one of each this month. Again, it just was a little packing slip. It said the pricing and what they were, and I think I just tossed it, not thinking I would reference it. And then the bottom, ooh, this is strappy as well. Let me get it. So this one is like a thong, kind of. I don't know if there's like another term, because you can see like towards the bottom, it's definitely thong like. But look, this is the back. And so it has the double strap, very strappy. Little bow. We have the satin here. I just love this color. These are so cute. I love this set. I think this set, I'm like covering my face so you guys could see. I think this set is my favorite, but I like both. You know, I feel like I might end up wearing the black one more just because I feel like you can wear that under more outfits. This would be something you like to put on, you know, but maybe under certain things. Again, I have to try it on and see how it works, but I love this. And again, yeah, there's a cotton gusset and it has that protective lining. So freaking pretty. I am obsessed. Do you guys feel the same way? Do you think these are so sexy and cute and just make me feel like such a goddess? I can't wait to try these on. Like, even if I'm the only one that sees me in them, maybe not. Who knows? But, you know, if I'm the only one who sees me in these, like, I'll feel really confident, like the goddess. And that's like their whole message, to feel really confident and like loving of yourself. Oh my gosh. These are both so cute and so special. I'm so excited about them. So yeah, we have the swan set, and also they have shop too outside of the subscriptions. It's just more expensive to buy the sets individually than with the subscription, but if you want it, like if you just loved one of these or anything else you've seen from them, you can just browse their shop and not subscribe, so you can always check that out as well. But what one do you like the best? I just think, yeah, I have to go with this, but again, I might wear this one more though, so I still love both, but we'll see. I can't wait to try these on. I'm so excited. I love this. I'm so grateful I'm getting this box again. Thank you, Empress Mimi, for sending this to me. I love it. Thank you guys for being here and watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, check them out, Empress Mimi. I will link them in the description. And if there's any codes or anything, again, there was a pop-up for 20%. If you're a first-time buyer, definitely take advantage of that. But I'll leave any information I have down below to help you save some money and learn more about the company and the pricing and all of that. But yeah, thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment if you wish, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.